boys and girls, welcome to Girl Guitar. We have Victony here with a song called Pier 46, alright? So we have basically 3 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. We have added notes to it, we're going to look into all that. First, the setup, we have K-pop first. That's important because that will give us very easy chords. C, G to F, alright? So I'm going to show you the full chords. You will basically not need to hold the full chords. I just think it's a great value in learning the chords as well. And yeah, then pick from them. So we're gonna look into C, G, and F, starting with this beautiful C. And it goes 3rd on A, 2nd on G, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And finally, we have the F. That's a bar chord where you play the index finger on the 1st fret and you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Right? So that will be the chord progression. So we're gonna start with just downs or pick certain strings. So we want to focus on notes here for each and every chord. So for C, the open high E there is important. So that note is important. For G, the open B string is important. And for F, the 2nd fret G string is important. Okay, so you can do either one down, like that, or you can pick strings. The thing when you pick strings is that you have more control over what strings you're using, so you can really highlight the notes you want to. So therefore I'm going to teach you that. You can also, like I said, go with the downs. So we're going to pick for C, the bass string, 3rd fret A, together with open G, 1st B, and important, the open E. Okay? Then for G, what you need to hold here really is just the 3rd fret E string in the bass. Then you're gonna pick the open D string, open G, and open B, which is the important note. And then for F, you're gonna pick the 4 bass strings, so E, A, D, and G. And the 2nd fret G string is the important one. So that is how you're gonna start, always. And then you're gonna end that always. So then we have the different endings later after this part. So what you're going to do now for C is to roll down from the actual chords. You're going to play 3rd A, open G, 1st B, and open high E. Then for G you're going to play, so that will be 3rd fret E string together with open B and open D then. And then finally F, you're going to pick 1st E together with 2nd G. Alright? So this part you're always going to play. So. And then. After this you have variations of endings here. And I'm going to show you 2 of them. So you're going to play like that. So what you're aiming for now is the B string, 5th fret, 3rd fret, and 1st fret. You want to slide into the 5th so you can start to pick when you are on 3rd, 4th, something like that, and slide into 5th. Okay, so pick that note, and then you pick the 3rd and 1st. And then you start all over again. So. When you do the sliding here, you can have the open G string as support, so you can pick that together with the B string you're playing. Okay, that's the first ending. The second ending here will be like that, okay? So that is to play 3rd fret B string together with open G. And when I do that, I pull off to get the first B there. I don't pick that, so I just play 3rd B and open G together and pull off to get the first B. And then I use the same technique there with the 2nd D string together with open G. I pull off to get the open D. And that's the 2nd ending. So. And then it just rolls like that. So different endings here with these 3 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song. So that's how I handle Pier 46. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.